Welcome to our action camera showdown. Today, we will be comparing two exciting products, the budget-friendly AKASO EK7000 and the premium Insta360 GO Ultra. Both cameras promise 4K recording, but they cater to different audiences. The EK7000 is perfect for beginners looking for great value, while the GO Ultra offers cutting-edge technology for serious content creators. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. The AKASO EK7000 is priced at an incredibly affordable $79, making it an excellent choice for those just starting with action cameras. In contrast, the Insta360 GO Ultra comes with a hefty price tag of $449. While the LiGo Ultra offers advanced features, the price difference is significant, and potential buyers should consider their budget and needs carefully. When it comes to stabilization, the AKASO EK7000 features basic electronic image stabilization, which is functional but not as effective as modern systems. On the other hand, the Insta360 Ultra boasts flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock, providing smooth, professional quality footage even in dynamic situations. This makes the GO Ultra a superior choice for action-packed adventures. The AKASO EK7000 has a traditional action camera design, which is larger and requires a waterproof case for underwater use. In contrast, the Insta360 GO Ultra is ultra-compact and can be easily mounted anywhere thanks to its magnetic design. This portability allows for unique shooting angles and hands-free operation, making it a versatile option for capturing spontaneous moments. In conclusion, both the AKASO EK7000 and the Insta360 GO Ultra have their strengths and weaknesses. The EK7000 is a fantastic entry-level camera for those on a budget, while the LiGo Ultra is an investment for those seeking top-tier performance and versatility. Depending on your needs, either camera could be the right choice for your adventures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.